Drew, got this.
Our second speaker today will be Maddox Stoepler with The Rest is History. Oh.
Testing. Okay. Why do we learn history? I mean, think about it. Why is history taught in schools? Is it taught to extend school hours or to provide students with knowledge they won't ever use? No. You see, history is much more than just a class you learn for the fun of it. History can teach us morals, provide us with a better understanding of the past, help us learn to appreciate our ancestors. Now, there are many ways history affects us positively, and I could probably talk about them for the rest of the day. Today, however, I'll just mention three. The first of which, history can help refine your general skills. For instance, reading and writing skills can be improved through learning history. Reading texts such as the Iliad and Odyssey, or even trying to decipher Egyptian hieroglyphics can improve your reading and writing skills. As Swiss writer Hermann Hesse once said, "Without words, without writing, and without books, there would be no history." Another skill you can acquire from history is gaining a career in history. More specifically, skills that are acquired through learning history, such as critical thinking, research, and assessing information, are all useful skills sought out by employers. You could receive simple jobs like reenactors and museum archivists, to more high-paying and professional jobs, such as geographers and political scientists, through learning these skills. However, if you want to work on these skills, you need to know the quantity and quality of what you're learning. When researching history, we need to ask ourselves questions like, how can I know what I'm reading is true and to the point? Or how can I know the website I'm using isn't biased or riddled with opinions? Through learning history, we can answer these questions. Now, not only does history help refine your general skills, but also allows us to comprehend the world around us more. Understanding present-day issues is a great example of this. We can perform this by asking as to why things are the way they are. Why did European wars in the 19th century matter to nations in other continents? And how does that still affect us politically today? Another comprehension you can learn from history is the process of change over time. For instance, take the 2020 United States presidential election, for example. Why did certain states vote differently than others, and what caused them to vote for who they did? And furthermore, history can provide us with a sense of identity. In fact, identity is one of the main reasons history is still taught in schools around the world. Through learning history, historians have been able to find out how countries, groups, and families were formed, and how they evolved and developed over time, giving us a sense of identity. And finally, history allows us to learn a clear lesson, one of which lessons being personal growth. We need to understand the suffering, joy, and chaos that were necessary for the present day to happen, and appreciate that you and I are able to benefit from past efforts today. Another lesson you can learn from history is morals and values. You can test your own morals and values by comparing your current situations to some real and difficult times people have had to live through. Now, although morals and values and personal growth may be important lessons to interpret from history, the most important lesson you can retain from history is learning from our past and noticing clear warning signs. Take World War II, for example. Think about the mass genocide to the Jewish population in Europe. Why hasn't this atrocity and others like it happened in today's world? Through this collective suffering, society has learned to ear attention to the warning signs leading up to such atrocities and combat them in today's world, leaving us with the society we have now. So in conclusion, learning history, whether it be in class or a 30-second YouTube short, can benefit us in ways most would struggle to understand. from teaching morals and values to giving us a sense of identity, history has proved that its benefits have benefited our lives and the people around us for the better. Thank you.